Hello, my name is Cindy Calloway, and I am going to be replacing the starter relay switch on a Yamaha 700 2007, and gonna have to take the radiator off, the grill off, get into the snorkels maybe, and I'm gonna charge the battery and get everything going. So at the moment I am going to be taking off these snorkel things, the things to hold the snorkels in place, just little by little. And just luckily when I put it back together earlier, I didn't do the zip ties, so that part gets to stay fed. And I'm gonna move this out of the way, moving everything to the side. Okay, got these back on for this. Great. Now I'm gonna take off the radiator, which is gonna be these 4 bolts. This one going, and then I'm going to go ahead and get the other ones going too, and I'll have the radiator off in a moment. Putting these all back like together somewhat so I won't end up losing them, and keeping them all right there together. Now I'm going for the next 2 bolts, this one, and then I'll get them off and I'll holler back. And I'm on this last bolt, getting it off. Then I'm going to have to undo my hoses so I can renew, and my wiring there, so I can remove the radiator, and then I'll be able to get to some more. Alright, I've got my wires unhooked and got my hot wire wrapped up there, and I went ahead and loosened them up. Gonna go ahead and take them off. Let all that drain. It ain't very much, thank goodness. Get the last one here, and the last one from below, right under there. Come on. And I can't help but cut myself every time I do anything. Come on. Okay, there we go. Set this to the side with my radiator fluid. Alright. Oh, we got us a dead lizard up in there, don't we? Oh, gecko. Yikes. Alright, so got the radiator fluid. Now I'm going to have to take the bar off. Gotten one off. Actually, that one's ready to come off too. Get these off. This is the hardest part to put back on. Getting these 4 bolts to line back up for it really kind of sucks. One more of these and I'll be able to easy enough. Hold on. And it's not. Oh, great. Put radiator fluid all over you, Cindy. That's what you need. Now that I'm all sticky, which is what radiator fluid does. Wonderful. Put all this aside. Oh yeah, I got the underneath to do too. Thank goodness. This one. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I just dropped it. Alright, I'm gonna let go and I'm gonna find that little, if I dropped the radiator fluid there, so it made the bolt easy to find. Thank goodness, that doesn't never happen. And gonna take this off. And then hoping to get into my battery. I won't have to mess with the snorkels. And I'm gonna take a break for a second. I need to go get something to drink. Hold up there. Oh, yeah, okay. All right, going to get a drink. Drink my tea. All right. And now back up into my work. All right, so your starter relay is going to be this one right here. So I'm going to have to take off this snorkel to get to it well, and then I can move everything out of the way, and let's see what we got here. All right. I've gotten this loose here. Now I got to get it off of this. All right. And then we're going to take that one off. Try to get this to set up here. Come on now. There. Okay, so I'm going to have to get over here. Oh, that's my radiator. Okay. I'm going to get in here, get these off. Clip that. Alright, let's see. What the hell we got here? Huh. Okay, well, I'm gonna get this apart and see what we've got. I'm gonna get in here, get these off. So I got the hot off, and I've got it covered just so that I don't short out the battery any more than it already is. Now I just got to finish getting this here bolt out for the negative. Then I'll have to break this off, and then I can change and put the new one on. It's surely not being as easy as I like. Every little thread is not easy at all. I'm gonna get it, and I'm gonna get this done. All right, come on now. I know it's almost out. Come on. All right, she's out. Well, I guess I can leave that there. All right, now I gotta get this power switch clip off. And then there's my little switch right there. Come on, baby. There we go. All right, and this is our bad starter relay. So we got this, and it's not the right one. It's not the right one. All right, so after a trip to Yamaha, I have the right starter relay, and I'm going to be hooking it up to the components, hooking them up, getting them. There it is, it's sat. So now I'm going to put these back on. I've got my positive taped up, so I'm going to go ahead and get my my ground hook up. I don't know if I can get her started. Yeah, it'd take a minute to get it started here, but I will. Just a second here. Just like that. There we go. Got her on there now. Gotta get her on there tight. Alright. And there's that one. Let's cover it back up. There we go. And we'll get my screw right here. Take off the tape that was protecting it, and get her hooked up right here. Alright, there was a wire on there. I don't know what it went to, but it was cut off, so I left it like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna get the phone. Alright, so I've got the new starter relay on there here, like it was supposed to be. Okay, we got that wire. We're good. Alright, so I went ahead and hooked up the trickle cell charger. I'm gonna try to get me a good charge before I put her back together. I'm gonna go inside and fiddle around for a minute, and I'll come back out in about an hour or so, maybe a little longer, give her a charge before I put her back together.